Do you want to make 10K online in this online space, right? If you want to make 10K in the online space, I've got some tips for you, which I did. First, you need to invest, right? Don't expect to make 10K online from free stuff, right? From freebies, because it's not going to happen. You can give it a try. I tried it many times. I watched YouTube videos. I watched Gary Vee. I was totally pumped. I said, I'm going to make 10K online now without investing. Nah, it's not going to work. Just to avoid disappointment for your end, you can have that motivation. You can be pumped up watching Alex Hormozy or Gary Vee and all those gurus make promise, all those gurus that will tell you that you're gonna hit 10K in a short period of time. Nah, it's not gonna happen. You can be pumped up with motivational videos of Tony Robbins. Sorry, not gonna happen. Why? Because if you don't invest, right, then you don't see any value on the thing that you invested to. If it's just free stuff is actually to hook you up, right? They will give you free stuff, they were going to give you information, valuable information. End of the day, the purpose is to get you to the higher ticket. At the end of the day, you need to invest, right? It will not happen on free stuff, because once you invest, you see value on what you invest, and then once you purchase something, since you paid money for it, sorry for my throat, you will have the obligation that you will see, I spend this amount of money, I have to make it happen, right? And another thing is, this contradict from what I just said about the cost, because in reality, investing is like this. Once you see value on something, you won't see it as a cost. The more value you see on a product, it's an investment, meaning the value is much worth than the price itself, right? Because once you invested on something, you know what you're gonna get from it. You know it, how much time you will save. You know how much ROI, how much income you're gonna make just by investing this. And the thing is, it's a skill. Self-investment is never a cost. It's a progress. It's a growth. It's the key to freedom. Once you acquire those skills on what you invested, it's yours, right? It can only grow from there once you implement, once you put it in your heart, once you take action to it, right? So that's the difference. So if you think everything is for free, it won't happen, right? Even selling fit pictures is not free, right? I tried to do that before. I was so desperate with online, I couldn't make it happen on the freebies and stuff. And you can even sell pictures to Fit Finder and stuff. You even still have to pay there, man. Just selling your pictures of your feet, you need to invest. So think about it, right? So if you really want to make 10K mark, you need to invest, because it will change your mindset as well. Or else everybody watching YouTube videos has been a millionaire already, right? Nah, it's not gonna happen. Every free stuff is attached to something to buy something, right? So, and it's nothing wrong if you're offering a product, because if you find value on this product and then you offer it, it's a service. It's not selling anymore. Or selling service should be the same thing, right? So what I'm doing now, I'm providing value, I'm providing information, what I have learned, and these are the things that I want to share with you. If somebody wants to understand why you're not hitting, if you're watching now and you got all these freebies and you're watching, you don't hit the 10K and you don't make a single sale, it's because of that. And another thing, if you have those, fuck off. Another point which I've just forgot right now, it's early in the morning here, is with the free stuff, what happens with all the free stuff that you get, that you download, you watch, you just keep on watching and then you get pumped, but you don't implement it anyway, right? You get this free ebook with all the guides, all the strategies, you watch it, you get pumped up, boom, I'm gonna make it now. And then you're gonna do it for a while, and then boom, you stop again, Find another free stuff. Oh, there's another one. Boom, I'm going to implement it. It's an endless cycle. That's what's happening with the free stuff, and that's why you're not mastering anything. Basically, you just master one skill, you master to solve one problem, and then boom, that's the whole thing. That's the whole concept. Don't when people are complicating stuff, because there are so many ways here online, and people get stuck on finding the best thing. It's not finding the best thing, it's making the best thing from yourself. Because you will never find the best thing. Everybody who becomes successful to something, it's because they work hard for it, right? You work hard, and it's not just about people get attracted. You need to work smart. But you need to work hard first before you can work smart. Because without working hard, you will never understand working smart. Okay, so again, if you're watching this and if you're following me and you're all on the freebie stuff, no, just get out, because it's not gonna happen. I'm telling you now, it's not gonna work. I so I hope you find value to this. And yes, I'm also offering stuff, right? Everybody who gives free value has something in the back end wants to offer things. I have a product which I found that helped me, that paid off my 10K debt. I'm telling you this, it's all look at my Valentine's last year, all of those stuff. I'm providing value because end of the day, I want people to go to my profile, check it out. And if this is something that you think that resonates with you, purchase. I mean, everybody is you're on the money making online niche. Everybody is here to sell. People say otherwise because they think selling is bad. But in reality, we all want to make a sell. How can you make 10K without selling? Think about that. So everybody providing free stuff, at the end of the day, it's gonna be ending up to purchase a product. To find value, once you find value, and then you get hooked up, you purchase. That's the whole thing. Alright, so I hope you find value. I have this this free stuff. That's the 3-step method on how to create content, right? It's free, but there is a link underneath which you can purchase. I'm just telling you ahead of time. And it's not a sneaky thing, it's called invisible selling, right? So if you find value to it, this 3-step method that I created, just implement it and see how it works, right? If it works good, click the link on the bottom. Right? Okay, peace.